Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the right device to match your needs. Last year, when Samsung unveiled the second iterations of its foldable phone lineup, I bought both of them, the Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. That's because I wanted in on the world of foldables. Of the two, the Z Flip is the phone that excites me most. I love being able to fold it shut and tuck it into my pocket, and even more so, the other way around. Well, the time has come for a new Z Flip, and I'm pretty stoked. Today, Samsung just unveiled the Z Flip 3, and as I got some extra special hands-on time with the device earlier this week, you get this video. This is our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 hands-on. So here it is, the new Z Flip 3. It's still roughly the same size as last year's model, but this time around it feels more flat with straight edges. The finish also isn't as glossy and doesn't pick up smudges easily. I'm really liking this new two-toned design. Well, two-toned if you get one of these colors: cream, lavender, or green. But solid black is nice too. This new design brings your focus to the cover screen, which I think is the biggest upgrade Samsung's made to the Flip 3. After all, when you have a phone that folds, you want the outer screen to be as useful as the inside one. At 1.5 inches diagonally, it's 4 times larger than last year. I mean, take a look at that. There's no comparison. The display on last year's Z Flip was tiny. Now you can fit up to 4 lines of text on here with the option to scroll down to see more. That means more space to read notifications, display widgets like music controls or the weather, or pay with Samsung Pay. If you swipe down, you can also access controls to adjust brightness or volume. You can also add cover display art that coordinates with the watch face on the newly announced Galaxy Watch 4. Probably more importantly, it makes it easier to take selfies when the phone is closed. Don't get me wrong, you still can take selfies with this tiny camera on the Z Flip, but do you see how small the display is? It doesn't even show the entire frame. That's not a problem anymore on the Z Flip 3. And now you can also take videos. The feature is called QuickShot 2.0, and to activate it, just double press on the power button. In photo mode, you can swipe down to switch to ultra-wide angle mode, and you can swipe to the left to switch to video mode. By the way, that power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Speaking of cameras, the phone has got the same exact hardware as on the previous model. Here's a recap. Up front, you have a 12 megapixel wide angle camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. These are the main ones, but when you open up the phone, you get a 10 megapixel selfie camera inside. Now, while the hardware is the same with the improved SoC and the new software features, I expect photos to be better. Plus, you get all the features that came with the Galaxy S21 series. Just like on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the durability of the Flip 3 has been improved. First off, the inner display has a new protective film that's supposedly 80% more durable and feels smoother to the touch than on previous models. The glass on both sides of the Flip 3 are made of Gorilla Glass Victus, the toughest in its class. And the metal frame and hinge are made of a new material called Armor Aluminum, which is 10% stronger, but also a little bit lighter. And finally, the phone is also IPX8 water and dust resistant, making both the Flip 3 and the Fold 3 the first in their class to get water resistance of any kind. 2 more improvements worth noting. The inside display is now a buttery smooth 120 Hz. It's still a 6.7-inch Infinity Flex display, and now you get 2 stereo speakers. On the previous model, you only got mono audio. So very practical quality of life improvements overall. The phone runs off Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 processor, at least here in the US, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and comes with 128 or 256 gigabyte storage configurations. Battery size is the same, 3,300 milliamp hours, and nope, Samsung does not include a charger in the box. As the Flip series is targeted at a younger, more hipper crowd, those who are more fashion forward also, it makes perfect sense that Samsung is also launching a lineup of cases with the new phone, including a silicone ring case and my favorite, a strap case that you can kind of stick your fingers through for a more secure grip. These start at $29.99. Of course, the biggest news here is that Samsung Foldables are now more affordable than last year. The Z Flip 3 in particular comes in at just under $1,000 this year for the 128GB model, and $1,050 if you want 256GB of storage. That's $450 cheaper than the launch price of the 256GB Z Flip 5G. Pre-orders begin on August 11th. The device goes on sale August 27th. Of course, if you pre-order there, Samsung is offering perks including a $200 Samsung.com credit that you can put towards a future purchase. Maybe for the new Galaxy Buds 2 or the new Galaxy Watch 4. I'll also put a link in the description box below. You should definitely check it out. Here's what pricing is like in Southeast Asia. And that was a quick look at the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. What do you think of these new improvements? Are they what you have been waiting for? And will you go out and buy one? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, we've got a lot of content yet to come, including some review videos. So to make sure you don't miss any of that, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, including some sample photos from the devices covered in this video and other videos yet to come. And as always, for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.